So welcome back to what will probably be the penultimate episode of Project Puma. A lot has happened this week, some of it off camera as well. A lot of suspension going back in and just starting to reassemble the car and get it back on its wheels, really. With the fixings all back from the platers, it was time to crack on. As you can see, the rear beam there has brand new bushes, brand new fixings, and the heat shields have been put back to the underside. With these in place, it means that we could start putting on the rear calipers, the discs, and the pads. And with those handbrake cables connected, we can call that a job well done. Moving on to the front, the client had actually stockpiled some brand new eyebag suspension for this. And doesn't it look fantastic with those gold brackets, new brake hoses, and those huge red Brembo brake calipers. With all new bushes and a few extra millimeters of paint on the front subframe, getting it back together can be a bit snug. And speaking of snug, I don't envy any man who needs to fit that exhaust manifold and that heat shield to the engine bay of this Puma. And at the end of the week, this is where we're at. So the car is temporarily back on its wheels. As you saw, a lot of the suspension went back in, the subframe has gone on. We've still got to fit the steering rack, but we needed the ramp for some other jobs for the time being, so it's currently on some skates just so we can move it around. Yeah, a few brackets to do in the engine bay, a couple of tidy up jobs, that sort of thing. But looking rather good. Well, I think we'll park this one here for the time being. We'll pick this up again in a few weeks' time when the car has come back from the painters and it's ready for then the final bit of fettling and road testing. See you then.